Trypophobia is the proposed fear of irregular patterns or clusters of small holes or bumps. Although the American Psychiatric Association doesn't recognize trypophobia as a diagnosis, they do admit that people can have a phobia to anything, and there is definitely something to this phenomenon. Some experts believe that our reaction to these kinds of images is from biological revulsion, and that we associate these images with danger because they resemble things such as holes made by stinging insects, or rotten or moldy things, or objects that contain parasites. And now, here's the plant that has been most associated with trypophobia, the lotus pod. It has an interesting combination of holes and bumps, and some people have commented that the lotus seeds themselves resemble eyeballs and add to the creepy effect. Interesting. Well, what do you think? Is the lotus seed pod the creepiest plant, or is there another one that you think is worse? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We have new content all the time. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Phinergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Phinergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Phinergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.